Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Calculus AB. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of multiple choice and free response questions and the topics covered. Next, ensure your algebra and pre-calculus skills are solid, as these are crucial building blocks. Finally, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to calculus practice. To truly succeed, focus on understanding the why behind each calculus concept, rather than just memorizing formulas. Work through a wide range of problems for each topic, from basic derivatives to complex integrals, to solidify your knowledge. Leverage all available resources, including your textbook, reputable online tutorials, and any notes provided by your teacher, for comprehensive learning. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate time to solving past AP free response questions, paying attention to the scoring guidelines to understand what graders look for. Take several full-length practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After each practice session, meticulously review your errors to pinpoint areas needing more attention and improve your understanding. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates. Discussing problems can offer new insights and clarify difficult concepts. Always reach out to your teacher for help with any topics that remain unclear, as they are your best resource. Remember to take care of yourself during this intense study period. Staying hydrated is super important, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Good luck with your AP Calculus AB exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.